Hello students, I will continue the third chapter in this class. Look at your textbook. Look at the picture there. Here this is 5 centimeter and this side is 3 centimeter. So what is the area of this rectangle? 5 into 3. Area is equal to length into breadth. 5 into 3. Answer 15 square centimeter. Look at this. A square of side 1 centimeter is divided into 2 equal parts. Each such rectangle is half of the square. Look at that. That part is half centimeter. When we divide the square into 2 parts, 2 equal parts, it's half centimeter. Look at the next one. Here, now, suppose we divide our square again into 3 equal parts. Look at the picture, 3 equal parts there. What is the area now? 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. What is the answer? 1 by 2 into 1 by 3? 1 by 6. So, each rectangle is 1 by 6 of the whole square. Its area is 1 by 6 square centimeter. Let us find out the area of this. Look at the breadth here. 3 1 by 3 centimeter. Length 5 1 by 2 centimeter. So here 3 1 by 3. How many 1 by 3 parts are there? We can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rectangles. Here we will get 10 rectangle. 1 by 3, 10 times. 1 by 3, 10 times 3, 1 by 3. Okay. So we can make 10 rectangle here. This side 5, 1 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Half 11 times 5, 1 by 2. So we can make here 11 rectangles. Okay. First one we can make here 1 by 3. 10 times 3, 1 by 3. Okay. 1 by 3. 10 times 3, 1 by 3. So we can make 10 rectangles. Here half, 5 and half, right? So half into 11, 5 1 by 2. So we can make here 11 rectangle. Can you see the area now? 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 6. Next 10 into 11, 110. So when we multiply here, 110 divided by 6 is 18 2 by 6. 18 2 by 6 means, what is the smaller fraction of 2 by 6? 2 by 6 we can write as 1 by 3. So, area is 18 1 by 3. Look at the answer here. 5 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 3. We can find out like this. Look at the answer. 5 into 2 10, 10 plus 1 11. So we can write 11 by 2. Next 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3. 11 into 10, 110. 2 into 3, 6. So when we divide, we will get answer 18 2 by 3. Quotient we should write their answer. Next remainder we should write as numerator 2. Next divisor write as denominator 6. 2 by 6. What is the smaller fraction? Smaller fraction of 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. So area we can find like this. Okay, 5 and half into 3 1 by 3 is equal to 18 1 by 3. Look at this. 1 by 3 of 6 is 2. When we divide 6 into 3 equal parts, one part is 2, right? So 1 by 3 of 6 is 2. 2 4 times. What is the answer? 2 4 times? 2 4 times 8. Let us see the reverse of this. Here 2 is the 1 by 4 of 8. When we divide 8 into 4 equal parts, one part is 2, right? So 1 by 4 of 8 is 2 and 2 3 times 6. This is the reverse of these numbers. First one, 1 by 3 of 6 is 2. 2 4 times 8. Next 1 by 4 of reverse. In reverse 1 by 4 of 8 is 2. 2 3 times 6. Is it clear? See this. Here 1 by 3 into 4. We can write like that. Okay, 1 by 3 into 4. 4 by 3. 1 by 3 into 4 is 4 by 3. And 3 times 1 by 4. What is the answer? 1 by 4 into 3. 3 by 4, right? 3 into 1, 3. 3 by 4. So we can say this 6 and 8. 6 4 by 3 times 8. And 6 3 by 4 of 8. Okay, 6 is 3 by 4 of 8 and 8 is 4 by 3 times 6. Let's see the division of fractions. Look at the numbers here. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. 1 and a half divided by 3 by 4. So how can we find the answer here? 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So we can write this 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. Next 3 by 2 into 4 by 3. Here when we divide, we should write this in reciprocal method. Okay, 3 by 4 we should write as 4 by 3. So how can we find the answer here? What is the answer now? 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. Here when we divide, we should write this in reciprocal. 3 by 4 we should write as 4 by 3. 3 into 4, 12. 2 into 3, 6. So what is the answer? 12 divided by 6. 6 2 times 12. Remainder 0. Answer 2. Here 1 and a half divided by 3 by 4 is 2. It means 3 by 4, 2 times 1 by 2. Is it clear? Look at the question here. 16 meter road cut into 2 by 3 meter pieces. How many pieces do we get? Here we have to divide. Let us see the answer. 16 divided by 2 by 3. Next step, 16 into 3 by 2. Again reciprocal. Okay. 2 by 3 we should write as 3 by 2. Next, 16 3 times. What is the answer? 16 3 times. 6 into 3. 6 into 3, 18. So we should write here 8, 1 here. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1, 4. What is the answer? 48 by 2. This 2 we should write here. 16 into 3, 48. What is the answer? 48 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2. 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. The same we should write here. 2, 4 times 8. What is the answer? Half of 48 is 24. So what is the answer? We will get 24 pieces. Okay, answer 24 pieces. Is it clear? Look at the next question. 12.5 kilogram sugar is to be packed in 2.5 kilogram bags. How many bags do we need? So here also we have to divide. Let us see the answer. 12.5 divided by 2, 1 by 2. So next step, reciprocal. Okay. So next, 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1. 25 by. So here 12 1 by 2 we can write as 25 by 2. 12 into 2, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. So So 25 we can write here. 2 we should write here. Next 2 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2. This 2 we should write here. Next 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 we should write here. Next 25 by 2 into 2 by 5. Here reciprocal. Next 5 by 2 we should write as 2 by 5. Okay. Next 25 into 2 is 50. 2 into 5 10. 0 we can strike here. 5 by 1 is 5. So we need 5 bags. Okay, answer we need 5 bags. Listen. 2 and half plus 2 and half plus 2 and half plus 2 and half plus 2 1 by 2. Here 2 and half 2 times 5. 4 times 10. 2 and half 2 times 5. 4 times 10. 5 times 2 and half 5 times 12 1 by 2. So here how much times you can see 1 2 3 4 5 times. So what is the answer? 5. We need 5 bags. Is it clear? Let us find out the area of the rectangle. Length 6.5 centimeter. Breadth 2 1 by 3 centimeter. Let us find out the answer. We already know that area is equal to length into breadth. So answer 6.5 into 2 1 by 3. How can we write this? 6 into 2 12. 12 plus 1 12 plus 1 13. 13 by. So 6.5 we can write 13 by 2 into 3 into 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 3. 13 7 times. 6.5. How can we write that? 6 into 2 12. 12 plus 1. This one we should add. Okay. Here multiply. The next add. 6 into 2 12. 12 plus 1 13. So 13 we should write here. This 2 we should write here. Here also 3 into 2. Here multiply. 3 into 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 3. This 3 we should write here. Next 13 7 times. What is the answer? 13 7 times. 7 into 3 21. So 1 we should write here. 2 here. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 2 9. 2 into 6. 2 into 3. What is the answer? 2 into 3 6. 91 divided by 6. What is the answer? 91 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. Next 9 by 9 minus 6 is 3. This one we should write here. 6 5 times 30. Remainder 1. So what is the answer? 15. 1 by 6. 15. Quotient we should write as answer here. Next one. This remainder 1 we should write as numerator. And 6 we should write as denominator. Divisor we should write as denominator. What is the answer? 15 1 by 6 square centimeter. Area of this rectangle is 15 1 by 6 square centimeter. Is it clear? Okay students, homework and notes I will send you in WhatsApp. Next chapter let us discuss in next class.